It's Sunday and we're taking the pups for a walk. Dave's in the back, Breeze is in the back somewhere. Where have you gone? Oh, there she is. And Aaron's just gone to... Oh, here he is. So we're all going for a walk. Hurrah! Hurrah!
Hurrah!
So we're just doing some beach running with Dave. Good boy.
Wait.
Yeah.
Go get her. Go on, Dave.
He's picking up speed. He's getting speedier.
Good boy.
It's a rainbow! How cool!
There's a dirty Dave at the end of every rainbow.
There is a dirty Dave at the end of every rainbow. Ah, the end of that rainbow. It's Aaron and the dogs. Happy puppy fun. Da, 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 da.
Gross wet
Gross
puppy
wet-
stink.
Yeah. Da, 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 da. Going on an adventure. Getting scared and coming back. Oh, he's having a paddle. Oh, here he comes.
I didn't realise you had gone. I need to come back.
I was all on my own.
You're such a wimp.
Don't jump on each other. Surprise animal coming at you.
He loves the water.
He does. He loves a little paddle. Little water baby.
Good boy.
Where you going?
Got to scent something. It smells on it. Goes nose to the ground. Let's track it.
Hello. Good boy.
Good boy.
Look at this giant bit of moss Aaron found. It's
Hello.
as big as his head.
I'm Mr. Moss.
That's how we measure things. To the size
The
of
size of my head.
pretty
Hello, I'm
big.
Dr. Moss. Or is it that way?
Beautiful. Really fun walk done, and now we're just going to go home, dry the dogs off, drop them off, and then we're going to go and do a little bit of food shopping because we need some food. We've got 2 sleepy puppies after our walk. I love it. So with everybody relaxing, me and Aaron are going to relax, maybe watch a film or something, and then later on I got to take Dave home. So that'll be fun. Don't forget, remember the little things.